Got a very quick video for you today. Just wanted to remind you of an event that's coming up, but before we do that, I have to right a wrong. I overlooked Jeff Keller's name when I did the new board. So, Jeff, this one's for you. Anyway, I'm very, very excited to remind you that I'm going to be at WorkBenchCon February 29th through March 2nd. If you don't know what WorkBenchCon is, it's a conference for makers and content creators. And you get to hobnob with people like Brad from Fix This Build That, Jason Hibbs from Bourbon Moth, Jimmy DiResta. You get to soak in all their energy and knowledge and get to talk to other people like you. I will be there doing a presentation on 20 tips to making better DIY videos. But don't just come there for me. Come there to be with like-minded people, get information, get inspired, get motivated to take your business to the next level. So join me there, WorkBenchCon, February 29th through March 2nd. See you there.